Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good and having a good time. Today we have another CIA video and I've received a lot of messages on Instagram and on YouTube about getting accepted into the CIA. A lot of people have a lot of questions about, do I need a high GPA? Do I need to have ACT? Do I need to have SAT scores and stuff? And in this video I'll be talking about everything about getting accepted and graduating from the CIA. So let's get into it. Okay, so the very first thing that we have to do is to look at the CIA's acceptance rate. So here on Google it says 97%, 96.7% if you want to be exact. What does that mean? This means that out of every 100 students who apply to the Culinary Institute of America, 97 of them get accepted into this school. What does that mean? Does it answer any of our questions? Well, absolutely, yes. This means that, this number means that you don't need a high GPA, you don't need SAT score, you don't need ACT score, you don't need any of that, you don't need previous work experience. And basically this number means if you apply to the Culinary Institute of America, the chance is very high that you will get accepted. But on the other hand, there is something else. Whenever you want to look at acceptance rate, you also got to look at the graduation rate. And here on Google, the graduation rate, it says 75.7. What does that mean? That means out of every 100 students who get accepted, who come to the CIA, who study here, only 75 of them graduate at the end of the year. And to me, that number is actually debatable because a lot of students, I have seen a lot of students drop out of this school. I think this number is about around 60 to 65% actually, yeah. So this means out of every 100 students, only 75 of them, 65 of them graduate from the Culinary Institute of America. But why is that? Why is the acceptance rate very high but the graduation rate very low? Why is that? So first of all, it's because many people don't know if they actually like culinary or not. The acceptance rate is very high, so everyone who applies can come to the CIA, can experience classes, experience the student life, experience everything. And then if they don't like it, or if they think that they are interested in something else, they can leave. So here the graduation rate 75.7, that means a lot of students come in and they drop out before they graduate. And this is not a bad thing actually, because they actually understand that culinary is not for them, baking and pastry is not for them. They're interested in something else and they drop out. So yes, this means that it's very easy to get into this school, but it's actually very hard to graduate. And one reason that this number is very low is because the CIA is not like any other school. It's not like any other colleges or universities. The classes are long. The class hours are long. It's not just like any normal school that you go in a class, you sit in a chair for like an hour and 20 minutes, your professor comes, gives a lecture, and then you leave. It's not like that. Classes, kitchen classes and bake shop classes here at the CIA are at least 5 to 6 hours. At least 5 to 6 hours. We also have academic classes, but like kitchen classes are the more important ones, if that's understandable, you know? Yeah, so I think a lot of people come here, think that the CIA is just like any other school. Classes are short, professors are nice. I mean, not that professors are not nice, no, professors are nice here, but like chefs are strict. Like it's actually hard to pass some classes here at the CIA. Yeah, so I hope I answered some of your questions. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment down below or just DM me on Instagram, whatever you want, whichever is easier. And I'll make a video like this. I'll make another video to answer your questions. Thank you, and until the next video, I will see you all later.